This is a Manhattan-bound East Express train. The next stop is Losar.
Hello. Have a great day.
I love your coat.
Yes. Grab whatever you like. If you recognize them.
January 23rd, 2025, Patrick.
afternoon and welcome to the stated meeting of January 23rd, 2025. I am Majority Leader Amanda Farias and I'd like to thank you for joining us. If you would like to follow along, the agenda for today's meeting is posted on our website. On behalf of the body, I welcome the members of the public who have joined us here today. During stated meetings, only members of the council may speak. Members of the public shall remain silent. If you wish to express your support of any remarks, you may make the silent approval gesture. Any member of the public who creates a disturbance on the floor will be removed by a sergeant at arms. I want to remind my colleagues that decorum is to be respected at all times. Insulting each other is not appropriate. All remarks are to be addressed to the chair, and members shall not speak unless recognized by the chair.
To the flag.
Radin. Here. Brewer.
Here.
Brooks Powers.
Present.
Kamal.
Present.
Carr. Della Rosa.
Here. Present.
Nurse.
Present.
Jose. Here.
Speaker Adams, Majority Leader Farias, Councilmember Kaman, beloved community. With your permission, let us pray. In Jewish tradition, there is a midrash, a rabbinic legend, that compares the wisdom of our saints.
Councilmember Tiffany Caban to spread the invocation on the record.
Thank you, Rabbi Josh. Rabbi Joshua Rabin serves as rabbi for the Jewish community at the Astoria Center of Israel. He asks for Astorians of all faiths, including our district's diverse Muslim community. Astoria is lucky to have Rabbi Josh leading us through these times, and I am committed to standing by his side and supporting him along the way.
We thank our staff members, Ricardo, Lucia, Connor, Mealy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much, Majority Leader, Madam Speaker. On this auspicious day, we are voting on Intro 100 by bill to recognize Losar, also known as Tibetan Lunar New Year, by adding it to the New York City's alternative side parking calendar. It's an honor to celebrate this historic day with our 61,000 Tibetan Buddhist neighbors from Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, India, and across the Himalayas, as well as the 100 Tibetans who have joined us today in this celebration. By recognizing Losar, we're giving visibility to a community whose political and civic engagement made today is possible. And as we've heard compassionately from our speaker's heart, as we have a new elected president who is shutting down and suspending refugee resettlement, this is a clear step and sign and evidence of our recognition and our values of our refugee community members. These Tibetan refugee members have shared their heartaches, their fight to preserve the Tibetan language, their culture, and their dream for a free Tibet. So this bill was a result of a tireless community advocacy of grassroots organizing. In September, at a hearing chaired by Councilmember Brooks Powers, nearly 1,000 Himalayan New Yorkers sent in their written testimony and attended the hearing. And we've had lines of residents to wait 5 hours for the hearing, and the passing of Intro 100 will take effect next month on Losar, which is February 28, 2025, just in time so that our neighbors will be able to enjoy the holidays without having to worry about getting a ticket. So I want to thank all the 36 council member colleagues, the 3 borough presidents for co-sponsoring this bill, and I urge my colleagues to vote yes, and I would be remiss if I did not
Annually as Cecilia Gentili Day in the city of New York to recognize her significant contributions as an author, performer, policymaker, and activist who fought for the rights of undocumented immigrants, sex workers, and LGBTQIA+ individuals. Will all those in favor say aye? Aye. All opposed say nay? Nay. Any abstentions? The ayes have it. Pre-considered resolution 713 recognizes January 27, 2025 as the 80th anniversary session, and I'd like to recognize Councilmember Arreola, followed by Osei and Lee. Thank you.
Geshe-la was one of the most famous Tibetan monks in New York City.
Thank you so much. I would like to say a few words in this statement. My name is Geshe-la. I'm the director and the founder.
When we celebrate Losar from the Sherpa Keduk to the Tibetan Service Center, and in between, in our communities, we know how powerful our communities are. We know how important Losar is to us. But now, all of New York City knows. Now, all of New York City has heard our voices, and all of New York City will recognize the growing power of our Tibetan, our Nepali communities, all of our Himalayan communities. I'm so proud to be here with you all. I'm so proud to support Councilmember 1 in this effort because it shows, and I say it as the first Indian American elected to City Council, as we grow, as our holidays, our traditions are recognized by the city, as our children see themselves in what they learn in school, in the holidays, in the parking holidays we celebrate, we make clear that we will be seen by government, we will be recognized by government, because look at our Himalayan communities. We are here, we are the essential workers of our city. I see so many HPs. That's right, our Himalayan community, these are our essential workers, these are our union workers, these are our cab drivers. How many fights have we been in together to protect the rights of our Himalayan communities, to make sure that we get access to services from government in our languages? This is yet another step forward to show the growing power and voice of our Himalayan communities. I couldn't be prouder to be here today. I couldn't be prouder to stand Councilmember 1 and my colleague Councilmember Narcisse, and we will keep fighting together to make sure that representation of our communities grows.
next speaker is a council member from Brooklyn who was an early co-sponsor of Intro 100. And she's somebody who champions civic engagement for immigrant communities, for underrepresented communities in New York City. Everybody, please give a warm round of applause for our council member, Mercedes Marcy.
Thank you for your leadership. And it's about recognizing the work that you're putting forward, that helping New York City to build, to make it a better place for all of us. You travel from Tibet. I travel from Haiti. We travel from India. We travel from all over the world to make this place our place. So we're gonna build it together. We're gonna say this is our culture. Let's make us a better place for all of us. This is New York City. This is your home. We choose this home. We're gonna make sure that we build it for the next generation to come. As you heard my colleague said, we want to make sure that you get elected too, because we're gonna fight for your own and for the people around you. So I want to say thank you. I am so proud to be part of it, to sign on that bill. So let's do it together. Let's go.
The Cultural Affairs Director from the Tibetan community of New York and New Jersey, Rinzin Domala. And Rinzin Domala is going to read a letter from the Office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Central Tibetan Administration. So please give it up for Rinzin Domala.
Statement from Office of Tibet. Sorry. I have like the community representing. So I want to say today that Intro 10, the first ever law for Tibetan New Year, Losar, which facilitates
다시 들려. 이게 라 요가 가는 게 계시고.